welcome everyone. For our first lab assignment, I will show you the output from lab activity 1, where we work with linear layout. In this activity, I will show you two different rotation. First, the vertical rotation, where elements are stacked on top of each other like this. And then now we can switch the rotation to the horizontal. In horizontal rotation, the element will be placed side by side. If we use mesh parent, some of the text view may disappear because there are not enough space. To fix that, we change their width to wrap content, which means the text view adjusts to fit their content like this. So that's how we can manipulate linear layout for vertical and horizontal arrangements. Yeah. So we can move to lab activity 2. Now we move on to the lab activity 2, where we work with relative layout. For this activity, I will show you how to place text view next to each other and align them using relative positioning like this. Here we have two text view. The first one will be placed normally, and the second one will be aligned to the right of the first one. We can adjust the margin to control the spacing between them like this. Hold on. As you can see, the first text view follow the first one position to the right with a margin. We can also position the second text view below the first one or align it relative to the parent layout. It gives us a lot of flexibility compared to the linear layout. Yeah, that's how relative layout works. Okay. For lab activity 3, we focus on basic layout attributes like size, margin, padding, and gravity. Here, the result, you can see the user label, the text field, and button are neatly arranged with proper margin and padding. The element align using gravity and layout gravity make the form look well organized and easy to use. This layout use simple attribute to ensure everything is spaced correctly and clean. Now we move on to lab activity 4, where we work with constraint layout to design a sign-in page. Here the result, You can see the username and password field are properly aligned using constraint like this. And the sign button is placed below and everything adjusts properly when you resize the screen. This layout works well across different screen size and rotation. And that's how we use constraint layout to create flexible and responsive UI design. Okay, that's it for lab activity 4. For the last lab assignment 1, we move on to post-lab activity. The task is to design a view data screen using constraint layout. This screen should display your personal details such as your name, birthday, address, hobby, and any other information you would like to include. Here, my design. As you can see, I use constraint layout to arrange all the elements in a clean and organized manner. The layout is responsive, so it looks good and clean on different screen size and orientation. That's it for the post lab activity. And I will show you how I troubleshoot this constraint layout on my phone for the demo. Okay, thank you.